How to pay your Chase credit card. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can pay for your Chase credit card both from your website and mobile application. In the case of website, launch a preferred browser and search for chase.com. In here, firstly, you have to log in into your account using your credential, that is your username and your password. Tap on Sign In. Once you are in here, you can navigate to the Pay Bill section. You can schedule a one-time payment or set up automatic payment to avoid missing a due date. If not, you can even contact the Chase customer support at 1-800-436-7958 and follow the prompt given to you. If not, when you tap on the Pay Bills option, you will see Automatic Payment option. Just tap on Set It Up. Once you click on it, now you have to fill out a form type of layout in which you have to mention the routing number, account number, confirm it, select the account type and account purpose. This is to detail out the account that would be automatically paying for your Chase credit card. You can also select a designated due date. And that is how you'll be able to pay for your Chase credit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.